That's how we start the morning. Running right on time. Hey, don't get mad.
You think trash on system?
We're going to Tacos El Gordo. Adriana, guess who's a special guest of the day? These lines are always long, so it's not bad. So here we go, waiting for the infamous Tacos El Gordo. My mom actually used to eat these in Mexico when she was over there, so this is big in Mexico. Why is he so? Why are you hating? The fuckers. We got the crew coming in. Are you ready?
You ready?
I'm down. I'm gonna search up what a vampiro is.
Oh, okay.
I'm ready. You can't wait for branding. They get cold. This is the vampiro. If you guys are ever wondering, you guys are here at Tacos Gordo. Queso, I think it's queso Oaxaca. And then the carne there. And the queso is like melted on there with cilantro. And freaking guacamole. That's the actual guacamole. So I'll give you guys a bite so you guys savor it. Dude, you want to try it?
Yes.
This is so good. Oh my god. Let me put it. Big. You remember when you were sick last time?
Hold on. So they flip them around.
Taco de lengua? Let's go for it. Alright, now we got the carne asada fries. This is not typical to an actual Mexican food, but like we are Americanizing over here. This is good. The carne is amazing.
Even the fries are pretty good and stuff.
This is the suadero. Ooh. It's too much. This one is buche.
It's Destiny DJ 14. It's not even that.
I'm done, I'm full.
How was it, bro?
Bro, it was so bomb. Carne asada fries. For sure, my favorite is still the adobada.
Can you do it again?
She's sad. Phobia. She's like, what's the phobia of being scared of the water? I'm like, a little bit. She's triggered. Look at her.
He's like, I want to go home.
Hi, we are in San Diego. We're in La Jolla Cove, actually.
Damn. They want to go straight to the beach already. What'd you say?
I don't want to get in.
Why not?
Because it's cold.
Are you scared?
No. You have to
Are you
tag
scared? What's your Instagram?
Oh, I forgot.
Bruh.
I took Alexander. We're in Mission Beach. This is one of like, if you are from California, you are well aware with Venice. This is Venice and Santa Monica vibes, but in San Diego. We've come like 3 times, but then this is the busiest it's been. Alright, I gotta go. Hold on, I'm going back again. Alright, we're done. We surfed, we swam, we did it all. I rode that wave. In theory, I did. See you. going to Hodats in San Diego by Newport Avenue.
I want to be.
So we're still at Hodad's, and this is their little like infamous little truck they have. See, there's not much to it but a picture. This is the double bacon cheeseburger. I'm gonna take a big bite for you guys before my camera dies. I'm trying to get skinny. The bacon's so good.
Alright guys, you have reached the end of the video, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the trip. I just woke up from a 4-hour nap. I feel great. I hope you guys enjoy your day, and also comment, like, subscribe down below. Comment down below if you have ever been to San Diego, and if you have, what are your spots and recommendations when I go to San Diego the next time. Yeah, that sounds good. Alright, I'll see you guys. Take care. Bye.